If you're a first-time homebuyer in Washington, D.C., February 2026 might be the most overlooked opportunity you'll get this year. Prices are softening, inventory is up, and buyers are negotiating thousands off asking price before spring competition hits. Right now, the DC housing market is rebalancing, and that matters if you're buying your first home. Late January through February is a quiet power window before spring buyers flood the market in April and May.
Are you ready to buy your first home? Don't waste your money on expensive courses or home seller programs that don't teach you what you need. I'm giving you a free home buyers training course designed to get you confident, prepared, and ready to make smart home buying decisions. Click the link in the description below to start your free training today.
Subscribe now.
DC is one of the few mid-Atlantic markets projected to see price softening in 2026. Forecasts suggest prices could dip about 1% this year, not a crash, but enough to shift leverage toward buyers. Active listings are up more than 33% year over year. That means more choices, fewer bidding wars, and more room to negotiate. Here's the real headline. About 62% of buyers recently purchased below the original list price, with average discounts reaching up to 8%. As of early February 2026, average 30-year fixed mortgage rates in DC are hovering around 6.14%. Some experts believe rates could dip into the high 5% range later this year, but waiting comes with competition risk. Lenders are also changing how they qualify buyers. Instead of obsessing over a single credit score number, many are reviewing your full financial picture, consistent rent payments, utility history, and overall stability. DC's HPAP program is one of the most powerful in the country. Eligible buyers can receive up to $202,000 for down payment and closing assistance, plus $4,000 toward closing costs. DC Open Doors offers 3% to 3.5% down payment assistance, and it can be paired with traditional mortgages. For 2026, the income cap is $275,400 based on the individual borrower, not household income. If you're a full-time district government employee, DC4ME provides reduced-rate mortgages with a minimum 640 credit score. Eligible buyers may also qualify for the lower income home ownership tax abatement, eliminating recordation and transfer taxes for up to 5 years. If you're serious about buying in DC this year, here's what to do now. Complete a HUD-approved homebuyer education course early. Many DC programs require it. Get a fully underwritten pre-approval. Sellers in 2026 are cautious and prefer buyers who can close fast. If you want a list of participating DC Open Doors lenders or help understanding income limits for your specific situation, drop a comment or reach out directly.
your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.